I can still find Wiley's house, riding on my bike with eyes closed.
What's going on, my fellow coffee lovers? This one's gonna be a little different today. I wanted to kind of discuss a topic that I've been kind of living by for the past couple years now. So, without no further ado, let's go ahead and get into it.
Can you take me back when we...
Basically, it's gonna be the act of creating. You see, the act of creating is one of the most important things for the human spirit that I feel exist. Recently, I've spoken to a bunch of individuals who are burned out, tired, distressed, unclear, and just basically unhappy. All for different reasons, but I feel they're all for reasons that are, like, avoidable. You see, we get so focused on feeling society's predetermined idea on what we're supposed to do with our lives. Finishing school, learning this and that, getting a job, focusing on promotion, always being told how to work, when to work, where to work, that we actually miss out on creating that which we actually enjoy. You know, we've lost the joy of it. Leatherworking, woodworking, roasting your own damn coffee. We want to know what our grandparents knew 100 years ago. We crave that hands-on feel, that level of intimacy with whatever craft or product you're making. So with that being said, let's bring back some craftsmanship. Let's bring back pride in what we do, love for our community, you know? It's what it's all about. And you see, all that kind of brings me into why I started roasting coffee and actually creating in the first place, you know? I still love this building right here. So cool.
Put your hand in my hand, darling, say go. Keep your eyes on the horizon.
So there's been times in my life when I've stumbled around in a very unorganized and unclear manner. And I still catch myself doing it from time to time. I've just learned to manage it with discipline and habits and stuff like that. But this kind of made me realize something. I need to definitely make a few changes. You see, the older I got, the more successful I had become in society's view. I was a veteran, I was a college grad, I had a salary position.
Wake me up, I'm tired of dreaming. All my days are yours.
But the further I traveled down this path that society said I should go on, the less happy I became. Which kind of led me to reflect one day, like, what the hell am I doing? And why am I doing it? Who am I doing it for? How long am I going to be doing something I don't want to do? Until retirement? These are some major life questions here, you know? You gotta ask yourself. This made me step back and think a bit. I knew there was a problem, but I didn't really quite know how to figure it out yet. I knew that I had to find something to build and to create, something that I could, put my heart and soul, my energy into. Something that my hands could make and that my mind solely could imagine. And honestly, that's where coffee roasting and then eventually video came in. Coffee allowed me to discover that age-old desire for craft. Throw off the chains of mass production and quantity and just get back to a place where my sole focus was on the quality and the spectacular taste of what I was creating. I could experiment without permission, change without consequence, and create on a level I wanted to. It was a time for me to learn, fail, repeat at a pace and scale that I was comfortable with.
Roasting coffee led me into video creation. I never dreamed of starting a YouTube channel. I never dreamed of speaking into a camera and, walking down the street. It's just one of them things I'm a country dude from the sticks. I have an accent. I speak pretty poor English. Roger that. Create a podcast. The more I started to create, the more I started to grow in many aspects of my life. It gave me the ability to kind of think beyond what I was accustomed to thinking in the societal norms that, I grew up in. So I'll say if you've been on the fence about starting some craft or new endeavor, maybe it's a small business, a side hustle, gardening, maybe it's ultra running, I would say just start. There are many joys in life, but one thing has become very clear to me. I am at my best when I'm creating. Mentally, it makes me enjoy all the other aspects of life in kind of a deeper way. It's like my old buddy Mark Twain said, throw off the Bullens, sail away from the safe harbor, catch the trade winds in your sail, explore, dream, discover, and I would add create. And lastly, I'll leave you with two things. In a world full of no's, find the yes. And most people conform. They don't create. Go create. Create something. I can't wait to show you next year what I'm going to be creating. It's going to be cool. Anyway, love y'all. Peace out. If y'all have anything for me, let me know. Let me know down in the comments. I always appreciate hearing from y'all. And thank y'all for watching my video. Truly appreciate it. Love y'all.
your head.